I've already put primer on my eyelids. So the concealer
my daughter's starting wrong already. Got people putting primer on their eyelids. That's for cars. What you gonna do? Primer car?
Creamy beige. I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid.
Get y'all's eyeballs stuck together.
Let me see what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow palette that I've had for like years. You can see some of the colors are missing and everything, but
don't you put that on your eyelids, you get a wart. My daughter's over here advertising wart grease.
So I'm gonna start in by going with this pink here. That's what I kind of running out. I'm gonna apply that. Then I'm gonna go back in with this this purple right here. And then I am going to cut my crease with my Anastasia's, it looked a little dirty, but my Anastasia's Beverly Hills palette.
He got that out of brother's garden, that dusty thing. You can get it out of garden.
Just this, I use this as a little makeup palette to squirt my foundation on. That's why it looks like that. But this banana color here.
Oh, she smelling breath, and it is hot.
Now I'm going to go over my crease with this.
We finally got some new stuff.
True Naked Peach Punch. I'm going to go back with that banana color and just hit under my eyebrows a little bit. Dab it right up under that arch. I'm also going to dab some of that banana and put it in like the corner of my eye.
Come on, y'all. At least she can get a clean mirror for you. That thing look like it's from Dustbuster.
Now I'm going to put these lashes on. I'm going to go back in with this Fade Away Pink. I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Night Waterproof Liquid Foundation, shade 8.0. Typically use a lot of foundation, you know, about like that much. And then I just make dots. And I'm going to start out with a beauty blender. Blend all that in.
I guess I gotta eat my words about the dirt. It turned out pretty good. That's a cheap artwork, but it's good. Hey, I am Tanisha Monique Mama's More.
What?
Man, I got a headache. Start all over. I am Tanisha Monique's mama. Amen. I don't know how I got Mama's More, but I am Tanisha Monique's mama. Pastor T. Enjoy my jokes on Boots.
Tanisha Monique.
Tanisha Monique Boots 828. It's real.